Action.
Wait! Don't scroll up! Wait!
3, go.
Wait! Just watch!
Go.
Just watch!
3, go.
Wait! And be informed!
Go.
Now is the time.
3, go.
Now is the time to amplify to testify this year, 2025.
Action.
Do you know that we will be having a district?
Action.
Do you know that we will be having a youth camp this year? Oh, district-wide.
Action, go.
Do you know that we will be having a district-wide youth camp this year? Wow! When?
3, go.
On April 22 to 24, 2025 at Cadiz Viejo.
Action.
On April 22 to 24, 2025 at Cadiz Viejo in Cadiz City, Negros Occidental.
3, go.
Be updated on our registration promos.
Action.
Be updated on our registration promos
At HDC Youth Alive page.